Hello friend, welcome to today's lesson. In today's video we'll be learning capitalization. It's a very long name but very easy to pronounce. Capitalization, and by the end of today's lesson you will be able to capitalize the names of people and pets. You will also be able to capitalize days and months of the year. You will also be able to capitalize the pronoun I in a sentence. So let's get into the lesson. Capitalization means to make the first letter of a word a capital letter. Let me use some examples to explain this. Now, the word Nigeria begins with a letter N, and if you notice, the N is written in a capital letter. That's what capitalization does. Capitalization makes the first letter of a word a capital letter. Brenda is the name of this girl, and if you notice, it begins with the letter B, but the letter B is written as a capital letter because of capitalization. So capitalization makes the first letter of a word a capital letter. We have Christmas, begins with a capital C. Pig milk begins with a capital P. And Mr. Sammy, Mr. begins with a capital M, and his name Sammy begins with a capital S. So capitalization makes the first letter of a word a capital letter. Let's see some capitalization rules. We capitalize at the beginning of a sentence. Let's see an example. It's so much fun to swim in summer. If you notice, this sentence begins with the word it, and it begins with a capital I. So whenever you have to begin a sentence, write a sentence, you begin the sentence with a capital letter, just as we have in this case. Let's see other rules. We capitalize the pronoun I in a sentence. Let's see this example. My friend and I went to the beach. Now you can notice the word I, which is in red. The word I in this sentence is written as a capital letter. So whenever you're writing a sentence and you have to use I anywhere in the sentence, make sure you capitalize your pronoun I. Also, did you notice that your sentence began with a capital M? So always remember, you begin your sentences with capital letters, and whenever you see the pronoun I in a sentence, you should make sure it's capitalized, or you should capitalize it. Okay? We capitalize proper nouns like the names of people or pets. Let's see this example. Who knows Mike the fisherman? Mike is a proper noun because it is the name of a particular person. Okay? And because it's the name of a particular person, it's an example of a proper noun, you have to capitalize Mike if you have to write it in any sentence. Okay? So whenever you're writing the name of a person or the name of a pet, you make sure you capitalize it. And also notice that my sentence began with a capital W. Okay? Don't forget to begin your sentences with a capital letter. We also capitalize the names of the days of the week because they are examples of proper nouns. Let's see this example. We play basketball every Wednesday. Wednesday is the name of a particular day in a week. Okay? And so because it's a proper noun, you must write it, or you must begin that word with a capital letter. So whenever you have to write Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday in any sentence, make sure you begin those names with a capital letter. And did you also notice that this sentence began with a capital W? Never forget to begin your sentences with capital letters. We also capitalize the names of the month of the year because they are also examples of proper nouns. Let's do this. Apple and I are January born. Now January begins with a capital G because it's a name of a particular month of the year, so it's an example of a proper noun. Did you also notice that Apple is the name of a person, but aside being the name of a person, it also begins the sentence, and so it begins with a capital A. And I can also see I. The I is written in a capital letter because whenever you see I in a sentence, it should be capitalized, or if you're the one writing the sentence, you should capitalize your I. And if you have to write the name of any month of the year, make sure you begin that name with the capital letter. Activity time. I want you to do this activity on your notepad. Why are the underlined words capitalized? So on your notepad, explain why the underlined words are capitalized. I trust you had a nice time. Do take care of yourself. Bye bye.